Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a microcap infrastructure company where Radhakishan Damani has bought 13 lakh shares during the last quarter. This equates to a 2.28% stake in the company at the end of the December quarter, and he held no stake in the company at the end of the September quarter. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also friends, you can choose to get connected to us on Telegram, and the link for the same will be present in the description of the video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is Simplex Infrastructures Limited, which is available at Rs 58.15 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is SIMPLEXINF. Now Simplex Infrastructures Limited is a holding company which engages in the provision of diversified construction business. It offers both design and build to design construction services across India and overseas. The company was founded in 1924 and is headquartered in Kolkata, India. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been on a consistent downtrend and a lot of wealth has been destroyed here. Now the market cap of the company stands at 332.29 crores, which means that this company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The EPS of 15.29 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 3.80, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 25.05. The price to book ratio of 0.17 is also very cheap. Now the company has a debt to equity of 1.5739, which is high, whereas the dividend yield stands at 0.86%. Promoter holding for the company is average at 49.83%, whereas none of the promoters holding is placed. Now friends, since the shareholding was released, the stock has hit two upper circuits and today closed on a down circuit, which indicates the high degree of volatility in this company. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.